Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to add signature in Gmail. First, open your favorite browser. I use Google Chrome. Go to gmail.com. Click on this gear. See all settings. Scroll down, look for signature. Name your signature profile. Here you make your signature however you want. You can even add photos and many more. Make sure to check those boxes. After you have created, click Save Changes. Here is a preview how it looks like. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if I helped you. See you in the next video. Bye.